Imagine uploading your music track and having an AI instantly create a professional music video with animations, effects, and visuals that match the beat, all without touching any video editing software. That's Beat Viz. It's an AI-powered music video generator built specifically for music producers, artists, and content creators who want to go from audio to visuals in minutes. Beat Viz solves a real problem. Creating a music video normally means hiring animators, learning complex editing software, or spending hours in post-production. With Beat Viz, you upload your track, describe the vibe you want, and the AI generates a complete music video synced perfectly to your beat. In this walkthrough, I'll show you 3 practical workflows. First, how to upload music and generate a basic music video. Second, how to customize visuals, effects, and themes to match your style. And third, how to export and use the final video across platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Let's start with the core workflow: uploading your music and generating a video. You open BeatViz and you see an upload option for audio files. You can upload MP3s, WAV files, or any standard music format. BeatViz accepts original music, remixes, beats, or even voice recordings, pretty much any audio you want to visualize. Once you've uploaded your track, BeatViz analyzes the audio. It detects the beat, tempo, energy levels, and major moments in the song. Drops, build-ups, breakdowns, everything. This analysis is crucial because it means the visuals will sync to the actual rhythm of your music, not just play randomly over it. After the analysis, you describe the vibe you want for the video. For example, you might type cyberpunk neon, fast-paced digital effects, glowing particles, or lo-fi hip-hop, chill anime aesthetic, pastel colors, floating objects. The more specific you are about the mood and visual style, the better BeatViz can generate visuals that match your vision. BeatViz then processes your request and generates a music video. The AI creates animations, visual effects, color schemes, and transitions that are all timed to your beat. A 3 to 5 minute song usually generates within seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on complexity. When you preview the video, you see your audio perfectly synced with animations and effects. The visuals respond to the music. When the beat drops, the animation intensifies. During calm sections, the visuals tone down. This automatic synchronization is what would normally take hours of manual animation or editing, but BeatViz handles it for you. Now, the video BeatViz generates isn't just a locked-in output. You can customize almost everything. Inside the editing interface, there are controls for themes. You can pick from dozens of pre-built themes like cyberpunk, nature, abstract, glitch, lo-fi, retro, and more. Each theme comes with a complete visual direction, color palette, and animation style. Beyond themes, you can tweak individual elements. Colors can be adjusted, swap the primary color, change accent colors, or create a custom palette that matches your brand or aesthetic. Effects like particle systems, glitch overlays, light rays, and distortions can be turned on or off, or adjusted in intensity. You can also control the pace of the visuals. If you want more frequent cuts and transitions, you can increase the animation speed. If you prefer slower, more elegant transitions, you can tone it down. This is important because different genres and moods work with different visual pacing. For creators building a consistent brand or channel aesthetic, BeatViz lets you save your customization settings as presets. So once you've tweaked colors, effects, and animation speed to match your style, you can apply those same settings to your next 10 tracks without redoing the customization each time. This is huge for series content or album videos where you want visual consistency. Beyond the core generation and customization, BeatViz also has features specifically for different music genres. If you upload a lo-fi track, the tool might default to lo-fi appropriate themes, soft colors, gentle animations, maybe some illustrations of rooms or nature. If you upload an EDM drop, it might suggest high-energy glitch effects and rapid cuts by default. You can also layer multiple effects or combine themes if you want something more unique. For example, You can start with the cyberpunk theme, then add particle effects from the nature theme to create a hybrid visual style that's more personal to you. One powerful feature is that Beat Viz recognizes different sections of your song. Intro, verse, chorus, bridge, outro. The AI understands these transitions and automatically varies the visuals throughout the video so it doesn't feel repetitive. The chorus might have different colors or more intense effects than the verse, keeping viewers engaged throughout. For music creators specifically, there's also a feature that lets you customize based on the song's metadata: artist name, track title, release date. BeatViz can automatically incorporate these into the video as on-screen text or credits, so when you upload to YouTube or streaming platforms, the information is already there and looks professional. If you have multiple tracks or want to create a music video series, you can batch generate videos. Upload 5 tracks at once, set your preferred theme and customization, and BeatViz generates all 5 videos with consistent styling, which is perfect for album rollouts or mixtapes. Export and sharing is straightforward. Once your video is finalized, you can download it in different resolutions and formats. 1080p MP4 for YouTube, vertical 9:16 format for TikTok and Instagram Reels, or even 4K if you want maximum quality. The download is instant, and the video file is ready to upload directly to any platform. BeatViz also provides some metadata optimization for YouTube. It can auto-generate a description with relevant keywords, hashtags for social media, and suggested thumbnail text, which saves time on the administrative side of content creation. The biggest advantage of BeatViz is time savings. What normally takes hours of editing, syncing visuals to beat, color grading, adding effects, timing transitions, happens in minutes. If you're a music producer, artist, or content creator who releases music regularly, BeatViz lets you create professional-looking music videos on the same day you finish a track instead of waiting weeks or months for a video team. The other advantage is accessibility. You don't need to learn editing software or have animation skills. You're not hiring freelancers or waiting for someone else to execute your vision. You describe what you want, BeatViz generates it, you tweak if needed, and you're done. For independent artists, this is genuinely game-changing. You can compete visually with major label releases because the production quality is that high. And for content creators building music channels or using original music in their content, having quick, custom music videos means you can stay more prolific and keep your audience engaged with fresh visuals regularly. If you're a music producer, artist, or content creator who's been putting off music videos because of the complexity or cost, BeatViz is worth checking out. You can visit beatviz.ai and start by uploading a track. They offer free trial generations so you can test the quality and see how the AI interprets your music before committing any credits. The workflow is genuinely fast. Upload, describe the vibe, customize if you want, download, and post. No learning curve, no technical headache, just your music with visuals ready to go. If this video helped you understand how AI can speed up your music production and content creation, you already know what to do. And I'll see you in the next one.